Nalene.
I think you were at the hotel.
Twahuriye kuri hoteli. Yibuka bagongana.
What? Ma'am, that goes...
Urangonga uzicyonde cyo urico ntazi. Karamushihuye.
Talking to?
Uzovugana nawe.
Do I need to know who you are?
Abose ndagwe ko nyene kukumenya.
Anyway, let's just talk next time. I'm in a very big...
Abanye nifite gahunda zanjye wewe nta n'umwe bagene kumenya abantu b'intakarafu nkamwe. Karamututse uwo munsi karamushihura.
Here, look where you're going, ma'am.
Ntabwo yumenya naho ugiye ari areba vice president. Turongeye turahuye.
Person you
Harya bamwe ngo ndiki?
remember?
Uranyibuka?
That is why the woman looks so familiar to me.
Hata niyo mpamvu nakubonye ku ifoto nkabona ndakuzi.
Oh my God.
Mwana nyagasani.
You.
Ni wowe.
You're the new maid.
Ni wowe mupagasi musha mwita mupagasi?
Not maid.
Gendera abana nani?
I'm sorry. What?
Ntabwo ndi umupagasi kandi wihangane.
I was simply in a rush from...
Kagera nako agasuzuguro.
Okay? I'm feeling truly sorry.